SonarQube agent app is now available in GitHub. With this integration, we enable developers to discover and fix their issues from the GitHub UI. No more screen shifting, just an integrated inline code analysis by Sonar, the recognized leader in code quality and security. Now let's see how it works. Here I ask Copilot for a small module with a loose spec. It picks it up, plans the work, writes the code, and opens a pull request. But the SonarQube quality gate fails the PR. There's zero text coverage, and the security rating is at a D. Let's dive a bit deeper into these issues. To simply do that, tag the SonarQube agent and ask it to list out the issues. After that's done, the SonarQube agent will then take a look at that comment and start a new session. So to find out why the quality gate failed, we pull in one of the skills available to us via SonarQube for a deeper review. Two findings come back: a minor style issue and a critical security hotspot. So let's dig into this critical security issue. And here it is in the code. The code writes the cache to a shared folder where any other user on the system could read or tamper with it. And I simply ask for the fix. SonarQube waits on my prompt before acting. This time, it's fixing instead of reviewing. It plans the change and rewrites the file. Done. It explains what changed, why it mattered, and what the fix does. The cache now lives in a private folder, locked to the user. And last but not least, here's the diff. Cache out of the shared folder into a private one. Permission set to 700, owner only. No one else on the machine can touch it. And that's SonarQube code verification, available now on Agent HQ.